All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to lay out this business card from scratch, but real quick, or as quick as we possibly can. Yeah, I'm going to go to File, New, and then I'm going to go over here, change this to inches, since that's what we're using where I'm at, and we'll go 3.5 and then by 2. And then this is important. We're going to add a bleed, the top and the bottom uh, of an eighth of an inch or 0.125. If you just hit that, it does it by itself. But if it put in another value, put 0.125. I believe it's 3 millimeter for uh, metric. So we'll hit OK. Now what that did, the little bleed is this. So this is your business card edge. This is where it's going to get cut. And then this is your bleed, which you still print, but they trim off and throw away. So that just gives you the clean edge. You don't want to print like, they can't get the ink right to the perfect edge. So then I'm going to go to view and rulers, and we just want to pull out some rulers real quick so I can make guides. See how it says 0, quarter, half, 3/4? Okay. So I'm just going to pull down here, and you can see I'm right up on the eighth of an inch. So I'm going to hold shift and it'll snap it to it. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Hold shift, snap, go over here, hold shift, snap, and then take it down here, hold shift, snap. This is like the perfect template. I'll put this template on a link in the description. You can download it for free and knock yourself out. All good. So yeah, that'll help you, I think. So this is where you can start if you do download that. So I'm gonna draw a box here for the color of the background. I'm gonna draw it all the way up here from the bleed down here, boom, and then fill it with something. I'm gonna fill it. No, I don't want it black, but yeah, okay, blue, looking good. Now I zoomed out, and I'm using the, you can press space to pan around. I'm gonna pop over here and grab my logo. That's on a different dock. Boom, paste that on there. So I'm gonna bump it right up against this line. I don't want to go here because that's the edge of the card, and it will get probably trimmed a little. This isn't even gonna be there. So this is our safe area. Don't put anything you want to not get cut or a little or anything past that. So we're good there. We're gonna grab the type tool. Go over here, click. I'm gonna look at caps lock for the name just because I don't know, why not? Appleseed. Then I'm gonna hit return. I'm gonna put a graphic designer. That's where you are, or you're becoming, or I don't know. And then we're gonna put no, whatever. I don't know. Let's do an email address, lowercase. Down at. Okay. So I clicked off of it. You can now move this around. I'm going to align it to the right. So you have your paragraph up here. Click on that. And you can find, I have my character here too, which is the font, but you can find that in here. Just go down to type, and then we have character and paragraph. So that pulls these two panels out. And like I said, they're already up here. So I'm going to change this font now to a little bit of a more bold, dramatic one. Make it white. You can change your colors to whatever you want up here. You will want to use CMYK colors, more than likely, but nowadays the printers just change it. Whoa. Okay, that's now in here. I'm going to lower the font size a little bit, especially with all caps. And now watch this. You can bring that up, a little closer. And this is all lowercase, so I'm just going to make that a little smaller because it looks giant. So that's cool. And then we can get our type tool again. We can go back here. Address 123 West Street. I think that's what I put on the other one. New York. Oh well, you gotta type that out. New York. I have no idea. I think they start with 0. Okay. Hit this, and now we're going to drag this guy right into this corner because that's the same thing. Remember, you don't want it over in this corner. That's the trim line. So you'll be that T and that 4 could get trimmed on some of them. So that's that. I mean, there's not much more to it. You got your logo, you got your info, you got your background. That could be an image, whatever it is, but just make sure that you use your bleed, your cut line, and your live area, safe area guides. And like I said, I'm going to put this link to this file in my description. You can download it for free. It's on a Google Drive. You just click download, no games, or you have to sign up for anything. Alrighty, I hope that helped. If it did, leave me a comment, hit like, and we'll see you around next time.